Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get an Excel file link. First, ensure your Excel workbook is saved to a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. This method relies on the file being accessible online. Once uploaded, navigate to the file's location within your cloud storage. Then, simply right-click on the Excel file itself to reveal a context menu with various actions. This is the crucial first step to generating a shareable link. After right-clicking, you'll see an option like Share or Get Link. Click on this to open the sharing settings. Here, you'll define who can access the file and what they can do. You can typically choose between allowing anyone with the link to view or granting them editing permissions. Carefully consider your audience and the level of access you want to provide before proceeding to the next step. Once your permissions are set, click the button to generate the shareable link. This action creates a unique URL for your Excel file based on your chosen settings. You'll then see a Copy Link button. Click this to instantly copy the entire URL to your clipboard. This link is now ready to be pasted anywhere you need it, whether in an email, a chat, or a document. With the link copied, you can now paste it wherever you need to share your Excel file. Simply use the paste function in an email, a messaging application, or any document. When recipients click this link, they will be directed straight to your Excel workbook, opening it in their web browser or the Excel application, depending on their setup and your permissions. It's a quick and efficient way to share your data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.